It's Mila at WTI, and today I want to share with you a pair of Ralph Lauren sunglass frames that I love. You guys, these are super classy. The shape of the frames is very, very sophisticated, but I love the fact that it's got a splash of color on there. You see how it's almost like a turquoise Tiffany blue color? And it's so discreet because you only really see it when you turn your face and then that pop of color comes out. And it's not so drastic that you can't wear this with anything. These will go with jeans, or you can wear them up in a dress. Let me go ahead and show you them on. So as you can see, that shape is super classy. I think it will really flatter a lot of different face shapes. But as you see the profile, you see that detail there, and then that pop of color. And of course, it's on both sides. Now the lenses are like a brown gradient, so they're super comfortable and they're not too dark. Like I can feel comfortable wearing these even in cloudier settings and I'll still be able to see comfortably. I absolutely love these glasses, you guys. If you're thinking about it, think no more. That's my point of view.